What up, guys? It's Frankie from Xtreme. Got a big job coming up right now. Got a brand new Escalade IQ Escalade, whatever the heck it's called. It's gonna get everything, and I mean everything covered. We're gonna do all the side windows, the back glass, the sunroof, the windshield, and to make it even better, it's getting Stratos to make sure they get the maximum heat rejection possible. Follow me, I'll show you guys our whole process. We start off by taking a thorough inspection of the vehicle. We open the doors, take videos of the door panels, the inside of the windshield, the outside of the windshield, everything to make sure that there isn't any damage on the vehicle that we don't catch before we start working on it, just to cover our end, and in case there's something there that the customer doesn't know about, we can let them know. All right, guys, so after we put all the information into your Able, which is our CRM software that we run through the phones, we start cutting. I already cut the sunroof and the two front windows. The percentages that we're gonna be doing on this today is they want essentially 15 all around. They want everything to match at 15. So we're gonna put 15% on the two front windows. The back comes tinted from the factory. It has that privacy glass and it is kind of dark. So we're gonna throw a 70% over it to bring it down to 15. The sunroof, we're gonna put 15 on, and then the windshield is gonna get 50%. So let's go ahead and start cutting the rest of the vehicle, and then we can get started on cleaning and installing.
I can see you're skeptical. You could have a little faith, it never killed nobody. What you waiting for? We're getting closer by the step, feels like it's just getting started.
So you might be thinking to yourself, what's the point of putting such a clear film over the back that already comes tinted from the factory? Pretty simple answer to that. This is just privacy glass. It's purely cosmetic. You're not getting any sort of heat rejection or UV protection benefits from this when it comes from the factory. Even if somebody were to go with our entry-level, Formula One Classic, it gives them that 99% UV protection, which means not only are you protected in the front if you tint the front, but your passengers, your kids, your friends, whoever rides in the back is gonna get that same protection as you. So yeah, it's very easy to leave this uncovered because it comes tinted from the factory. But in this instance, if you're going with something like a Stratos ceramic, you're trying to keep as much heat out. So it kind of doesn't make sense to just do the front and not the back, because there's gonna be a lot of heat coming in from the back. And this person in particular, I'm pretty sure has children, so I'm sure they wanna extend those heat rejection benefits and those UV protection benefits to their kids while they're riding in the back.
Just make a move and break the tension. Never let me go. I can see you're skeptical. You could have a little faith, it never killed nobody. What you waiting for? by the step, feels like it's just getting started.
So here it is, guys, all finished up. We did all 11 windows on the vehicle, 15% on the sides, 50% on the windshield, 15% on the sunroof, and our FormulaOne Stratos. You guys can see in here, it has exceptional clarity. You can see a really big difference on the sunroof, you know, darkened it up a little bit. Gonna keep that heat and that sun out of the passengers and the driver. Not only that, but remember, it does have 99% UV protection. What this means is that it's going to protect this nice leather interior, that steering wheel, the door panels. Not only that, but the passengers and the driver. UV is what gives you sunburn. While you're sitting in here, you're going to be nice and protected. Not only you, but your vehicle. With an investment this expensive, you want to make sure you're taking care of it, guys. Lifetime warranty, nationwide warranty. We'll see you guys next time. Oh.